Hi guys, today we will explain how to share Google Drive link. This process will be simple and easy. The first thing is open the computer browser and then sign in into your Google account in that browser, because after signing in you can get access to your Google Drive, and without signing in you cannot get that access. Once you sign in, just like me, take a look on the right top. You will see your account, and just next to your account you will see a lot of dots. These are the Google apps. Click on it and here you can find the option Drive. Click on it to get access to your Drive. Now here is my Drive. Now time to share the Drive link. Here are two ways. The first one is sharing folder and the second one is sharing a file. So first let's share a whole folder. If you want to share a folder, you can see the three dots. Simply click on these dots and take your mouse cursor on share and then click on share. Below to your name, you can see the option general access, and now the selected option is anyone with the link. Click on it and choose this option anyone with the link, just like me. If your selected option is restricted, click on this option anyone with the link and then tap on this option copy link, because if this option is not selected then you cannot share this link. So that's why click on this and tap on the option copy link. Now the link has been copied. Now share it on WhatsApp or on Facebook. The second way of sharing a file is tap on the option done and open a folder in which you want to share your file. Now again tap on these three dots and take your mouse cursor on share and then tap on the option share. Again select this anyone with the link and tap on this option copy link. Now the link has been copied and you can share this link. And whenever people will tap on that link, they will get access to the same video, and it was the primary way by which you can do it quickly.